Owning a vacation home in the Sunshine State of Florida is a dream for many. As a responsible vacation homeowner, it's vital to pay close attention to one often overlooked aspect of property maintenance: septic system care. Let's explore the essential guidelines for maintaining septic systems in your Florida vacation home. Florida vacation homes and septic systems. Florida's diverse landscapes and beautiful settings make it a prime location for vacation homes. Many of these properties, especially those in more rural, secluded areas or on lakes, rely on septic systems for wastewater treatment. The importance of septic system care. Environmental impact. Maintaining your septic system properly is crucial to preventing contamination of groundwater and local water bodies. Property value. The resale value of your vacation home is closely tied to its overall condition, including the septic system. Guest experience. Suppose you rent out your vacation home when you're not using it. A malfunctioning system can lead to unpleasant odors, slow drains, and even sewage backups, which could result in negative reviews and decreased rental income. Essential guidelines for septic system care in Florida vacation homes. Regular inspections. Scheduling routine septic system inspections, typically every 1 to 3 years, is the first step in septic care. Pumping and cleaning. The pumping frequency depends on the tank's size and usage, but typically occurs every 3 to 5 years for an appropriately sized and cared for tank. Water conservation. Fix leaky faucets, install low-flow fixtures, and educate guests about responsible water usage to prevent system overload. Proper disposal. Ensure that only human waste and toilet paper are flushed down the toilet. Discourage guests from disposing of wet wipes, feminine products, or grease down the drains. Landscaping considerations. Avoid planting trees or shrubs with invasive root systems near the drain field, as they can damage pipes and disrupt drainage. Avoid overloading. Be mindful of the number of guests in your vacation home. If your property is regularly rented, consider its maximum occupancy and plan accordingly. Safe cleaning routines. Ensure that your septic system receives only biodegradable and septic-safe cleaning products. Stormwater diversion. To avoid overwhelming your septic system, redirect stormwater away from the septic field to prevent oversaturation. Owning a vacation home in the beautiful state of Florida is a dream come true. And the responsible care of your septic system is essential to ensuring that your dream remains trouble-free. In need of septic maintenance or repair in Central Florida? Advanced Septic Services of Florida has you covered. Contact us today at 352-242-6100.